Hi guys! Welcome sa SIP9. In this video ay mag-solve na naman tayo ng isang math challenge problem. Basahin natin. Given that x minus 2 and x plus 3 are factors of x to the fourth plus x cubed plus ax squared plus bx plus 6, find the values of a and b. Now kung gusto niyo mag-solve on your own or kaya gusto niyo pag-isipan, pwede niyo i-pause yung video tapos balik kayo mamaya kung meron na kayong sagot. Alright, you can pause the video now. Okay, so itutuloy na natin yung ating discussion. So x to the fourth plus x cubed plus ax squared plus bx plus 6 is a polynomial expression. So pwede natin siyang gawing polynomial function. No? F of x is equal to x to the fourth plus x cubed plus ax squared plus bx plus 6. Now to get the zeros of the function, we must equate x to the fourth plus x cubed plus ax squared plus bx plus 6 is equal to 0. And since factors yung x minus 2 and x plus 3, ibig sabihin pag finactor natin to x minus 2 times x plus 3 times the other factors is equal to 0. Now hindi naman natin kailangan tong other factors, no? Kasi ang kailangan lang natin is x minus 2 at saka x plus 3. So they are zeros of the function, which means that x minus 2 is equal to 0, tsaka x plus 3 is equal to 0, and x is equal to 2, x equals negative 3. Okay? Meaning f of 2 is equal to 0 and f of negative 3 is equal to 0. So, pwede na nating i-substitute yan, no? Yung f of 2 is equal to 0. F of 2 is equal to 0. Ano ba ang f of 2? So, substitute natin yung 2 sa lahat ng x, di ba? So, magiging f of 2 is equal to 2 to the fourth plus 2 cubed plus a times 2 squared plus b times 2 plus 6. No? Since yung f of 2 natin ay 0, pwede na natin gawing 0 ito. Is equal to 2 to the fourth is 16 plus 8. Ang a times 2 squared is just 4a. And then plus 2b plus 6. Now adding all the constants, we have 16 plus 8 plus 6 is 30. Plus 4a plus 2b is equal to 0. And subtracting 30 from both sides, magiging 0 minus 30 equals 30 plus 4a plus 2b minus 30. Siyempre, mawawala na itong 30 minus 30. This becomes negative 30 equals 4a plus 2b. And dividing both sides by 2, negative 30 divided by 2 is negative 15. 4a divided by 2 is 2a plus 2b divided by 2 is b. So this is our equation 1. Now, tignan naman natin itong f of negative 3. Yung x equals negative 3, ito naman yung isa-substitute natin dito sa variable natin na x. So, palitan natin ng negative 3 lahat ng x. Magiging f of negative 3 is equal to negative 3 to the fourth plus negative 3 cubed plus a times negative 3 squared plus b times negative 3. So, magiging 0 dito sa left-hand side. And we have 81 plus negative 3 times negative 3 is negative 27 plus negative 3 squared is 9 times a is 9a plus negative 3b. No? Which is equal to, ang 81 minus 27 ay 54. May plus 6 pa pala tayo dito, nakalimutan natin. We have plus 6. That's 60. No? Kasi 54 plus 6 is 60. And we have 9a plus 9a minus 3b. Ang plus negative 3b is just minus 3b. So 0 pa rin yung nasa left-hand side natin. And we have, if we subtract 60 from both sides, magiging negative 60 ito. Mawawala na to kasi nag-minus na tayo ng 60. Ang matitira na lang dito ay 9a minus 3b. And may common divisor na 3. Pwede natin i-divide both sides by 3. Negative 60 divided by 3 is negative 20. 9a divided by 3 is 3a. 3b divided by 3 is b. So ito yung pangalawang equation natin. This is equation 2. And pwede natin i-add yung equation 1 tsaka equation 2 para mawala yung b. Kasi dito may plus b tayo. Tapos dito meron tayong minus b. So if we add the equations, mawawala na yung b. Okay? So magiging 2a plus b equals negative 15. Binaliktad ko lang, no? And then we have 3a minus b equals negative 20. If we add, we have 5a. Yung plus b minus b magiging 0 na yan. So magiging equals negative 35. Which means that a is equal to negative 7. And substituting, siguro sa 1 na lang, no? 2a times negative 7 plus b is equal to negative 15. Negative 14 plus b equals negative 15. And b is equal to negative 15 plus 14. Which means that b is equal to negative 1. Okay, so nakuha na natin yung pinapakuha. Yung a is equal to negative 7 and b equals negative 1. So ang a natin ay negative 7 and b ay negative 1. Ayun yung sagot ng tanong. Alright, so sana nag-enjoy kayo dito sa ating tutorial. Huwag niyo kalimutan mag-subscribe. Invite your friends and practice lang kayo ng practice para lalo kayong gumaling sa math, no? Maraming salamat. I'll see you in the next video.